Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a lollipop from clay. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need polymer clay in several vibrant colors, a small rolling pin, and a craft knife for precise cuts. Don't forget your lollipop sticks, which should be about 4 inches in length. A clean, smooth work surface is also crucial for a successful crafting experience. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother. Now let's create that iconic swirl. Take 2 different colors of polymer clay and roll each into a thin, even rope, approximately 1/8 of an inch thick. Gently twist these 2 ropes together, ensuring they remain connected but not overly blended. Next, lightly flatten the twisted rope with your fingers. Finally, carefully coil this flattened rope tightly into a beautiful spiral, forming the lollipop's main body. With your swirl complete, it's time to add the stick. Carefully insert one end of a lollipop stick into the bottom center of your clay swirl. Gently press the surrounding clay firmly around the stick to ensure it is securely attached and won't wobble. Take a moment to smooth any rough edges or imperfections with your fingertips, making sure the lollipop's overall shape is pleasingly round and even. The final step is baking your clay lollipop to harden it. Always follow the specific baking instructions provided on your polymer clay package for best results. Generally, this involves baking at around 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Once baked, let your lollipop cool completely. For an extra touch, you can apply a clear glaze to give it a beautiful, shiny, and realistic finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.